Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. I am Yusuf. I welcome you all in my channel 5 Minutes Information. This is episode number 130 and in this episode I will talk about the grey literature. Grey literature is an important source of informal publication or sometimes it is referred as a informal literature. In this video I will discuss 3 points about the grey literature. Number 1, what is grey literature? Number 2, what are the types of grey literature? Point number 3, the tool where you can find the grey literature. Viewer guidance, you can get the notes of this video lecture mentioned on the link of this video description. Now come to the point number 1. What is grey literature? Grey literature describes the information produced outside the traditional publishing and distribution channel, and it can include reports, policies, literature, working papers, newsletter, government documents, speeches, white paper, urban plans, and etc. The formal definition of grey literature was given in 1997 at the International Grey Literature Conference in Luxembourg. As per the definition, information on all levels, government, academia, business and industry, in electronic and print formats not controlled by the commercial publishing is called grey literature, where the publishing is not primary activity of information producing body. Point number 2, what are the types of grey literature? Information scientists and experts describe the 12 types of grey literature. Number 1, news published in a newspaper or electronic media is referred as a grey literature. Number 2, official publication like government reports and press release is also referred as a grey literature. Number 3, thesis and dissertation. Dissertations of PhD scholars and master students' thesis is also referred as a grey literature. Number 4, clinical trials. Clinical trials are often run in the hospitals. It is also referred as a grey literature. Number 5, health reports and policies, which is often published by the World Health Organization and UNESCO. Number 6, census data. Census is oftenly conducted in a country after a specific time period, and these data is oftenly used by the researchers and statisticians. Number 7, dataset. Dataset is a data which is collected through any specific research, and oftenly scientists or researcher required to use the data for their specific research purpose or see the data trends. Number 8, company reports and information. The company which is registered in a stock exchange are oftenly produce the annual journal meeting or annual reports for their shareholders and as far as the general public. Number 9, market research. Market research is also source of a grey literature. The survey which is conducted by the different marketing company to launch a product or to improve their products. Number 10, patent. Patent is a specific source to manufacturing a specific product. Number 11, standards and guidelines. Standards and guidelines are also referred as a grey literature. And number 12, social media posts like tweets, Facebook posts or blogs or wikis are also referred as a grey literature. Come to the point number 3, what are the tools of grey literature? There are 5 main tools of grey literature or 5 main sources where you can find the grey literature. Number 1, databases. Number 2, library catalog. Number 3, online repositories. Number 4, organizational website. And number 5, search engines. Besides the white literature, articles, conference paper, books and books chapter, the databases keeps also grey literature in their records like news, official publication, market research, annual reports of the company, patent standards and statistical informations are also kept in databases. Number two, library catalogs. In library catalogs, thesis of master students and dissertations of PhD scholars and research reports are also kept as a grey literature in the libraries. Number three, online repositories. Online repositories like TSpace keeps the preprint of different publications like theses, dissertations, and research reports. Number four, organizational websites. Organizational website is a key source of grey literature. Different policies, working papers, urban plannings, and standards and procedures and are maintained by the organizational websites. Small video clips and newsletters and statistics are also maintained in an organizational website where researchers and users can frequently visit and get the desired information. Number fifth, search engines. Internet search engine is a live broadcast lead user to the grey literature. It has a particular useful information in shapes of blogs, tweets, wikis, presentations, email communication, short video clips, and RSS feeds. And you can find the relevant information through the internet search engines. Here I conclude the episode number 130 about the grey literature. In this video clip, I discussed the three main points. Number one, what is grey literature? What are the types of grey literature? And what are the tools where you can find the grey literature? Thanks for watching. Stay connected with 5 minutes information. I will back soon with another informative episode.